Oh, I bet it wasn't.
And I pulled them off this morning.
What pressure there, sir?
Yeah.
Stressed out just dragging my 6'2" husband and 107 kilos, and I'm a 4 foot nothing. So I'm really thankful that at least I have one friend that actually cares about us, and every day and every night she check up on me and making sure that I am not stressing out. She's a very nice girl. She's like, her dad passed away in a motorcycle a couple years ago, so she knows the pain. And yeah, my husband got his 2 operation in one, if you guys know what that means. Totally broke his knees, not just his knees. So yeah, it's been 3 weeks. So I'm nursing. I'm a full-time nurse, so I can't go anywhere. My plan is to go and visit my family back home in Philippines. But anyway, my home really is Australia. But then I was born in Philippines, and my late mother passed away back when I was a little toddler. And Dad is the only one that's still kicking and living with my brother back in Davao Occidental. So yeah, he's 85 years old, living with my brother June Flores, together with my sister-in-law. So my sister-in-law is taking care of him. So I wanted to go visit, but unfortunately my flight is canceled. It is because due to my husband's motorcycle accident. So if anybody wants to buy his motorcycle, it's a BMW. Really good. It's really good looking motorcycle. No damage. There was a little few scratches. That's about it. What happened was he went for a ride just around Rota, and first thing he says, "Mel, I'm just going to go and see my mate." So he went to see his mate. He said he's gonna only be half hour to an hour. And I was thinking to myself, why it's taking him too long to come home? It's just around the corner. And then as I was upstairs, I have 3-story house, and obviously I was doing some work in my computer, and I kind of heard somebody downstairs saying, "Help!" And I was like, who was that? And I kind of think, it's like, is that David? So I looked at myself in the window. I was like, I can't see what's going on because I'm like in 3rd floor. So I ran downstairs. It is like 35 step stairs that I run it down, and I run into the wall, hurt my shoulder. So got downstairs, which is the underground of the house. I looked right next to my car, and my car was okay, because I thought he'd run into my car because he parked he parks right next to my car. Anyway, the motorcycle wasn't there, and my garage, it's underground. So going down and going up, my garage is very stiff. Like going through the garage, you have to drive down and drive up. Anyway, I look up on my second garage because I have two garages. I look up and there he was. The motorcycle was on top of his leg. And I said, oh my gosh, what did you do? And I panicked. I was frozen for a while. I couldn't move my leg. And he kept saying, help. Nobody came out. I guess they don't understand what's help here because it's Spanish people. So I've learned from a friend of a friend, when you say help here in their language is like Filipinos, ayuda. And then you say, please, por favor. But my husband, obviously, he was in a lot of pain. He was a lot of pain. So he kind of say help. He forgot to say ayuda, por favor. I guess who's going to remember that word when you're pretty much injured. So I got up there and oh my gosh, I looked at him and I said, look, oh my gosh, you told me you were only gonna be a couple of minutes, because my God, his mate, he only lives around the corner. So yeah, so obviously they were hanging out, talking. I didn't expect that he'd come home and just drop down in front of my garage. So he obviously out of balance himself. The gutter is kind of high. You need to jump the bike up, like his motorcycle. It's heavy. We couldn't lift it up with one person. I had to call at least 3 persons to come over and help us out, get him inside the house, get the motorcycle inside the garage, which is the first garage. We couldn't put the motorcycle downstairs where the second garage is underground. So, my goodness, I'm still blessed, or he's still blessed that he didn't make it underground, because it could be worse. It could be something. He could be somewhere right now. You know what I mean? It was very emotional for me. And I'm a type of person is very emotional. And now I am full-time nurse. So we're fighting, guys. We're fighting. I told him to fight, because whenever the morphine fade away, he screamed like hell. And he even tells me, he says, get out of here, Mel. Get out of here. I said, why would I get out? He said, I don't want you to see me screaming. So anyway, I just let him scream. And I just boiled my eyes out. I cried because I couldn't help him. I wish that was me, because I don't have to work. He is working, guys. The same time right now, he's recovering. I'm walking over to the store to get something for him for breakfast and dinner. I have a car, but I'd rather just walk to get me something, unstressed or an exercise. And breathe in, breathe out, pretty much. And because the more I see him in pain all the time, it makes my heart melt. I keep telling him I love him. I said, don't leave me. I need to go first before you. Just like I said to my dog, I don't want to leave you, or don't leave me. I must go first, because being in abroad without a family, it's very sad. Especially you don't have kids, you don't have family. You have one or two friends, and you'll know who is really your true friend. Because there's two type being friends. There is friend that you only say hi, hello, how are you, and it becomes to Linumi. Nobody really. When you ask for help, I'm not saying, oh my God. You can count on your friends, but you cannot rely on them because they have their own issues too. Because they have their own problems. So we'll get through this. Hopefully, guys. I just need your help and pray. To my supporters and my subscribers, my legit supporters, thank you so much for your prayers. Maraming salamat po. Advertise. So I'm walking towards Mercadona supermarket just to get some few things. I need to go and get some groceries, snack for him. Yeah, so he hasn't had any bowel movement for at least 4 days or 5 days now. He hasn't been to the toilet, so I need him to maybe eat some more like cornflakes and stuff like that, so he can go and use the bathroom. Anyway, for now he's resting, and I told him not to move around while I'm not there, so it's safe for him. And yeah, so he's got some bucket or a gallon when he wants to go for pee and stuff like that. So yeah, it's hard when you don't have any family, but we're fighting that. Mga loves, maraming salamat sa inyong mga support, sa inyong mga prayers. Maraming salamat po. Which means thank you so much. And I really appreciate it, and I really do. I know there's some people out there that supported my channel. Thank you so much. So the bike is for sale. If anybody wants to, not the bike. When you say bike, or when I say bike, they think it's a push bicycle. It's a motorcycle, a BMW motorcycle. So anybody wants to buy it, let me know. Shoot me a message on this WhatsApp if you're interested on a motorbike. It will be for sale. I wanted to sell it, so no more riding for him. He can't ride anymore. He's got 2 plate titanium plates that both sides, left and the right, and then he has like 10 screws in his right leg. In the right leg, it's much more stronger than the left leg, always, and he does not have a good balance. I guess, I don't know, not many American has a good balance. I know lots of Filipinos or Asian can balance one leg with this dog. The dog's barking. He says, "Who are you? Who are you talking to?" Yes, so whenever you get hurt, if you're in Spain, you always say "ayuda por favor," not "please help." Nobody will come out Yeah, nobody came out. Nobody came out in our neighborhood because they don't know the words, I guess. But you wouldn't think that if somebody's leg under the motorcycle, you wouldn't think that you would think they would come out and say, "Oh, you're hurt. Oh, you need help." But no, nobody came over and helped us out. I had to call our friends or his work mate. Not really a friend, but it's work mate. I only have one friend that actually helped us, which is Nate and Sala. And those two, I classify them as my friends or as our friend because whenever I need them, whenever I call, they're there for us. And yet we don't really, Nate and Sala, they're not really like long-time friends because we got here before them. So yeah, so I'm thankful that I met those two, husband and wife, and has a little girl, a beautiful little girl. Her name is Alea. You guys probably saw some of the photos that I sent on Facebook or I post on Facebook. That little girl there, it's a daughter. So beautiful. And they're the one that actually whenever I need Lino, they're there for me. So you guys, I'm telling you, it's hard without friends. True friends. You have some friends that are not true, and there's friends that's true friends, and they are hard to find. I'm telling you. But I am thankful and I'm blessed, and God bless their hearts. And that's a wonderful thing that I met those two. So anyway, I'm almost in Mercadona. So there is a Chinese store over there where you can get everything from Asia. It's kind of expensive, but when you need something, it's right there. So that's Mercarota. Very, very nice store. It's kind of expensive. Yeah, so Mercadona is right down there. So guys, thank you so much for always coming back and watch all my videos, and please watch the other videos as well, whatever videos I have posted on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and give it a like and let me know what you think of this video. Give it a thumbs up, smash that notification bell so that you'll see my next video. You'll be notified. And of course, and thank you so much for subscribing, everybody, and to those not subscribed yet, please do hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, I finally got home, safe and sound. What I have here, I have a loaf of bread.
That's how it looks like. Spanish birthday.
Call it. I have two of these. These are not to eat. These are to put on his knees. So I put him in the freezer and put it on his knees. We need it. And extra, I bought some stuff for my face, serum and some lotion because I'm almost out of lotion. Nivea, vanilla flavor. Orange juice. Vitamin C. Leche, which is milk. I love this flavor. Fresha Moringa. I don't know if I pronounce it right. It's Spanish words. Ta-da! That's what I got right there. So this should be enough for 1 week. So yeah, I'll drag him around like that. I could drive, but I just don't want to drive like 15 minutes walk. So there you go, guys. I hope you like this video today. Give it a thumbs up, comment below. Thank you so much for watching.